If you're looking to update your digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Pro, whether you're changing your name, refreshing your sign-off style, or just want a cleaner look on your PDFs, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove your old signature, create a brand new one, and place it perfectly where you need it in any PDF document. Let's get right to it. First, you'll want to open up the PDF document you're working with in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you have the file open, look up at the top tools. You're looking for the e-sign option, which should be visible on the global bar. Clicking e-sign brings up all the signature options tied to this document. Now, in the left-hand pane, you'll see a box with your current signature. To remove it, look for the little X or minus sign next to the signature. Give that a click, and your old signature will be deleted from the PDF. Don't worry if this takes a moment, especially if you have several signatures stored. Acrobat might pause as it updates the changes. Removing your signature is important because it clears out any outdated or incorrect sign-off that could cause confusion or delay when sharing your PDF with others. Now we're ready to create your new signature. Go ahead and click the Add Signature button, which will typically be right where your old signature used to be. A dialog box pops up, offering you 3 ways to create your new mark. The first option is Type. Here, you can just enter your name and then select from several stylish fonts. So if you want something formal, or maybe a bit more modern, take a minute to scroll through and pick the style that suits you. The second option is Draw. And this is great if you want your signature to look just like it does on paper. Use your mouse, stylus, or even a trackpad to write it out. If it doesn't look perfect at first, don't be discouraged. You can always clear and try again until you're happy with the result. The third option is Image, which allows you to upload a scan of your real signature, as long as it's a common format like PNG, JPG, GIF, or BMP. This is ideal if you already have a well-made, clean scan on your computer of your handwritten signature. Once you're satisfied with how your new signature looks, and remember, this is what folks will see on official PDFs, so double-check for typos or any stray marks. Click Apply. Now, Acrobat will prompt you to place your signature. Click anywhere on the document where you want your new signature to appear. A good tip here is to place it exactly where you'd sign a real paper document, maybe underneath your printed name, at the bottom of a contract, or on a form's signature line. Don't worry about placement just yet. Acrobat lets you click and drag to move your signature around, and you can also tweak the size so it fits neatly and legibly. And that's it. Your fresh signature is now saved and ready to use on future PDFs. Making sure your digital signature is up to date and accurately represents you is important for professionalism and legal clarity. If you run into any hiccups like missing the e-sign button or your image not uploading, just back up and try again. Sometimes all it takes is a quick restart or a different image file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always glad to help. And for more straightforward guides like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.